Time to look at some of the Pro Trading System swing trade results, guys. Lee here from Trading College. I'm inside our radar screen here, giving us the results from the last swing trade signals. You can see it updating here in real time on all these currency pairs. A little walkthrough about what the radar screen gives us here. On the left-hand side is our currency pairs. Here's the signal, whether it's a short or a long trade. Here's the days or the candlesticks since that signal, and here's the P&L on the right hand side. If it's green, it's making that amount of pips. If it's red, it's losing that amount of pips. You can see there's 3 or 4 red pips, red ones here, but it's pretty low. I mean, you got 48 pips, 33. But let's take a little look at some of the greens, because I want to dive into, we'll look at the DAX as well and the NASDAQ and the Dow, where we're at, because I think we're coming into possibly an area where it might be time to bank some profits on the DAX and the Dow. But let's just dive into the Forex markets first on our Pro Trading System results. The top one, the euro dollar, pretty sideways. We're pretty flat in this market. We had a short signal. It's green. It's making 3 pips profit. It's going nowhere basically. But the dollar yen, these yen pairs again, 216 pips in 7 days. So if you want to work out how much you make in this trade, you just got to multiply the pip count by your position size. If you were doing £1 a point in a spread bet, you'll be up £221 in 7 days. Euro yen here, from its last long buy signal 7 days ago, is up 215 pips. Dollar CAD just breaking even at 22. Dollar Swiss has been a nice move, 180 pip move in 9 days. Pound Swissy, 36 points here. In fact, yep, 36 points. Pound yen, 166 pips profit. Pound Aussie, 48 pip loss, boogaloo. I mean, the losses are much smaller than the gains we're getting here. Pound US dollar up 81 pips. Pound New Zealand dollar, 249 pips in 20 days. So if you take a little look at this pound New Zealand, it had a buy signal 20 days ago on the Pro Trading System. Since then, it's moved 248 pips in that direction. And you'll be making that amount of pips, okay? So multiplied by your position size, and you wouldn't have done much for 20 trading days. Just like on this euro yen here, 217 pips. 7 days ago, it had a long signal, and you wouldn't have done much. All you're doing is banking the profits or trading your stock if you're in this trade. So very nice indeed. And you can see all the yens are green on the radar screen, so very bullish indeed. You can see the majors here. You can see that the euro against the dollar, pound against the dollar, it's red, and they're pointing down where the dollar is pretty strong, okay? So it's certainly been a dollar strength period for the last several weeks, and it's been all long, strong dollar. And New Zealand dollar here, you can see it's been red and short side, 125, 61 pips, 28 red. Okay, so from the radar screen, you can see in real time, as it's updating here, all the P&L from your trades. And what a great thing is with bunching these FX pairs together is you can see that the pound, you know, hasn't been the strongest market. It's certainly been the yen pairs, okay? So the yen pairs and the dollar, you can see they're all green in this column, where the pound is green and red. They haven't got them all going together. So the pound Aussie hasn't been going long. It's been in a short signal. So the pound isn't the currency to buy. The currency to buy has been against the yen and the US dollar. So that's a great way of knowing where the strength is on our Pro Trading System, on our radar here. All right, so some really good trades. If we take a little look at the weekly time frames, obviously going further out, you know, it's the yen pairs again, 318, 317 is it as it moves in real time. Euro yen 287 pips in 11 weeks. Dollar yen, as I said, 300. Oh, the pound, look at the pound yen. Sterling against the Japanese yen. For the last 12 weeks, we've been long 670 pips profit. So 12 weeks ago, we had a buy signal on the Pro Trading System on the pound yen. it's up 670 pips. Multiply that by your position size. It could be thousands of thousands in several months, guys. Okay. And you're doing pretty much not a lot, really, just trading your stop on that with the PTS. All right. So you get the PTS on our Pro Trader program and on our Pro Trader program AI as well, guys. Let's dive into the DAX here and look at the indexes. We'll have a little look at gold as well. So on the daily chart on the German DAX, it's only green. These areas here, these numbers are our profit targets, and we've hit profit target after profit target. Here was our entry at 1783 zone. Stop was 16945. And then we've just gone up and hit profit target after profit target, and still green on the Pro Trend system and the tracks. And there's no looking back. And we've got a 18,500 above here. And there's 18,692, which is another profit target right up there. Incredible move. This last move, 17,000, or over 1,000 points profit in the German DAX on the Pro Trend system. Let's have a little look at the Dow. The Dow has been very strong indeed from that advance up here. You only need a couple of these big 1,000-point trades, guys. You know, you get stopped out on this one, but then we go into another big move as well. It's incredible, absolutely incredible. And where we're sitting now, we've really got to try and make a bit of a move to the upside. We are getting a bit of divergence. So we're in an area here of support. We've just got to see whether we want to go again to the upside. But it's green, and that's how it makes your trading simpler, because if it's green, then you just want to be long, you know, and it just takes away all that confusion, takes away all of that doubt. It builds confidence, because no matter what newsletters are saying, or the news, or the economic calendar, the most important thing is price. So price really here, with it being green, is what it's telling you to be long. And you can see on the weekly time frames, we have just gone up all the way here. A nice green pullback, series of red, so we weren't long. And then since, you know, November 2023, we've just been long and strong all the way up. It's been an incredible market movement. Okay. FTSE as well, if you're a FTSE trader, I mean, this has been a very sloppy, slow market. We have not traded this at all. And it's not been great market to trade. Now let's take a little look at gold. Now gold's been a great market. If you've been following along with my signals in the trading room, you know, we had this triangle formation. We had the green Pro Trend system, broke out of this triangle, hit profit target after profit target, and now we're still green on the Pro Trend system. Nothing much else to do than stay long these markets. It's been powerful trending markets, guys, and I think we're coming to a crucial time. But until something else happens, until we get reds on our candlestick charts with the Pro Trend systems, nothing else to. Here's Bitcoin's been strong, and we had a red series here, so I sold some, and now we're back to green. The weekly time frames still beautifully green long. Bitcoin and the Pro Trend system go hand in hand. Absolutely fantastic. Once we turn red, we'll get out of our investments on Bitcoin, but at the moment it's lovely, long and strong. Okay, so the swing trading charts, absolutely beautiful. I feel like we're coming into some areas now where we could get several trend changes. As I look at the New Zealand market here against the Canadian dollar, we've had a lovely sell signal down to 81.88. Got a bit of a double bottom here. Are we going to get a reversal? I don't know. I'm not going to fight the system. I'm only going to trade the colors, and when those colors set up, will I only take the trade. Okay, so a very powerful Pro Trading system. Some fantastic results, guys. You're going to get these on the Pro Trader program and that 12 months of coaching and live trading as well. I think we're only starting for 2024. I think there's some cracking trades setting up. And who knows, we might get a short signal on the stock market, but I'm only going to short something if it turns red. You wait for the signal. You don't do anything else. And these yen pairs, they've been fantastically strong. This euro yen has been, up and away. Another 200 points to the upside on the euro yen. Been a beautiful move. Let's see how far this green wants to go, and then we'll wait for a red if it turns red. But while we're green, we stay long. As simple as that. What a great way to trade with confidence with our trading system, guys. Speak to you soon. Make sure you go for a call back. Speak to one of our team here at Trading College who will talk you through the program. Get yourself on it. I think there's a special offer coming soon, so look out for that. All right. Speak to you soon.